You're gonna have to catch her. So this is actually a bullet ant, sometimes just called balas or 24s, because it's one of the worst stings in the animal world. It's rated under one of the Schmidt digests as over 4. So there's nothing else that stings as bad as bullet ants do. So again, this sting, which is representative of just, there's only one species that's still alive, this guy right here, is amazing. It travels all over Central and South America, an incredibly diverse group. They mostly live on the base of large base trees that have these places that they can hide in, and they usually are quite vigorous in defending their young, although I can't really see this one. So I'm going to have to catch it, Lucy. Yeah, I'm going to catch the thing.
No.
Yeah, I guess I'm not going to be able to catch it like this. There it is. Okay, here we go. So it's right in there. One of the worst stings ever. And they do some rites of passage this way. It mostly is predatory, although they don't hunt in groups like other ants do. They actually just go out by themselves, usually straight up the tree. They're arboreal. They don't live in the ground really, but straight up the tree and hunt as much as they possibly can. So an incredibly diverse ant, very, very good at catching all sorts of predatory insects. Plus, these things also bring back nectar from the treetops, from nectaries and so forth. I'm trying to remember the name of them. I think it's Paraponeta clavata is the name of these things. So, a neat little ant, bullet ant, Bala 24. Here is the again that bullet ant, Bala 24. Again, one of the worst stings of all things. When they sting you, it's like getting shot by a bullet, and then 24 hours later, the theory is that you always get it. Not deadly, unless I guess you're allergic to, the different kinds of things with these things. But it's horrible. It affects all of your nervous systems, and all over your body, not just a localized thing, but everywhere. In fact, believe it or not, there's some stories that people get stung by this, and even their feces have blood in it. It's just a nasty type of thing, and takes forever for this kind of thing to wear off. So famous all over Latin America, in lowland countries, next to big trees, because they always feed up above it, feeding mostly on other insects. They hunt solitarily, and they're also quite interested in getting nectaries and so forth. If you disturb the nest, one of the neat things is several of them come out, and they're nowhere near as many as other nests, but a bunch of them come out and they'll actually make a sound, which is incredible, which warns them too. The solitary member of this subfamily, these guys are known for their stings, but again aren't aggressive unless you disturb their nest. So here we go. It's one of the largest ants of all of South America, as you can see here, and closely related to wasps and so forth, which a lot of ants are as well. So, Bala 24, the bullet ant.